Hello, this is just going to be a short little video to show you how to create your own custom Bible reading plans in eSword. Now there are modules, if you're willing to do the search and take some time, there are the modules being given away on the internet with various Bible reading plans, or you could find a Bible reading plan and then maybe even put it into your own custom Bible reading plan here in eSword. If you're searching for Bible reading plans, though, you're going to find a lot of results are coming up for a website called BibleSupport.com. Used to be the largest depository for eSword modules on the internet. Well, that site disappeared a couple months ago at the time of this recording and has not come back. So you could check, maybe it's come back by the time you're hearing this, but as of right now, it's not there. So you're going to have to do a little searching around. But you can always create your own, so it's not a big deal. To do it, you go up to Tools, here, Bible Reading, and then right here on this little box, click that. And you'll notice it gives you an option. If you want your Bible reading plan, say you want to read the Bible through in a year, click Bible. It's going to select them all, and you just click Next. Pick the days of the week you want the prompt to read it, and click Next. And you pick the amount of time you want to read it in, so 1 year. And it will divide it up for you to read it in 1 year on those prompts. Now, if you wanted to do something like I did Psalms. I want to read through Psalms every 30 days. I just went and I selected the book, click Next. I selected all the days to be prompted on to read it every day. Click Next, and then I selected 1 month. And it set it up for me. And I get prompted every day when I open up my eSword. Now, if you leave your eSword on overnight, you're not going to get the prompt the next day. It actually won't prompt you unless you close it and then open it again. Then it will prompt you. And when you're reading, you get done with that particular section, you just click this little red check box. It turns green and automatically advances to your next reading set. And you can go backwards and forwards if you want to check them out, like I've here, and you can actually look at and you'll notice I haven't read that one yet, but I have the green here. This is where I left off. This is my next one to read today. So that's all there is to creating your own Bible reading plan in eSword. I hope this helps. If this did help you, how about leaving a like, leave a comment, subscribe, tell somebody about this channel. Thank you. You have a good day.